Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iOS is updated and you are signed into iCloud, because sync fixes depend on those services. Once done, back up important events by exporting one calendar or enabling iCloud backup so you can restore if needed. Now open the Calendar app and tap Calendars to reveal active accounts and subscriptions. This first actionable step shows what's currently enabled and prevents accidental deletion later. Next, you tackle the middle steps. Go to Settings, then Accounts and Passwords, or Mail Accounts, and toggle Calendar Sync Off and Back On for the account that's misbehaving. This forces a fresh sync. If duplicates persist, remove the subscription or account and re-add it. Once reconnected, verify your default calendar and time zone override so new events land correctly. Make sure to wait a minute between toggles to let servers process changes. To finish, force quit the Calendar app and restart your iPhone, because a reboot clears cached errors and often resolves stubborn sync issues. After reboot, open Calendar and confirm events restored. If items are missing, restore from iCloud. COM via Settings restore calendars, which recovers deleted or corrupted data. If syncing still fails, check the email/calendar provider status page or contact support. This one key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.